Alright, we're back. Do a little update here. So a little more dirt's been dug. Leveling this out for like a parking area. Got things that need to be stored. Pallets of cinder blocks, concrete foundation forms, spare car or two, maybe, boat or two, trailer or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. Anyways, this is where it's going to be parking. Still got some more work to do. This road's going to get widened out to like a proper width, so there's a couple trees that got to come out. This is different. CRX has moved. Temporarily, it's in the garden. It's kind of funny. Probably should have taped that. That was an adventure. All 4 wheels were like seized. Hooked the skid loader to it. Kind of drug it a little bit. 3 of the wheels unseized real quick, which was nice. And then, yeah, I had to do a little persuasion with the old sledgehammer. Got that last one unfreed. Yeah. It's coming along. I think I might actually drop this whole thing down. Like that tree, I think that tree needs to go. Look how, I mean, it's pretty much dead. The only problem is, like, where do I drop it to? I might have to drop it in sections. I don't know, whatever, I'll figure it out. So, yeah. So let's see how this works now. I mean, kind of mounted the dirt up there. Might do like a little fancy plot area for, I don't know, something to go there. It's like, you can walk here now. Gate opens up. Look at that. Nice. Disregard the plastic tarp pile. That's going to be dealt with. Baby steps. So yeah, the CRX. This is a gem. This is my brother's. Or actually, still, technically it is my brother's. Not technically. It actually is my brother's. Because he still has the title for it. Anywho, he hit a deer with it. And then he bought himself a new car, and he was going to turn this into like a tuner. So he started like disassembling it, and then he got a job out of state, and he was just like, dude, this thing is like 3/4 taken apart. You want it? And I was like, well, sure, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I'll take it and put it at the property. But I drove it here. It drives, I guess. It's 100 and something thousand miles on it. Project car. We'll make a race car out of that. Right now it's garden art. So we'll see how the garden's doing. Finally got some rain, so everything should be nice and pretty looking. These potatoes are looking nice. These potatoes, I don't know. That row back there, struggling. These out here, see, look how big that just got. It's like in a day. Like those were ground level the other day. Busting. I actually had my first strawberry yesterday. Technically, not yesterday, 2 days ago. It was small. Let's see if we got anything else going on in here. Any strawberries? Any red ones? I don't see anything. Oh, I do. Over there. Looky. Are small. Give me that. How about that? That's pretty good. Actually tastes like a strawberry. Something I've been noticing lately with the strawberries that come from the grocery store. They don't taste like strawberries. I don't know what they taste like. Dirt? Whatever. Well, let's check out this stuff. That's probably a jalapeno. He's small. Some of these peppers are coming along. He's getting kind of big. That tomato's getting nice and large. Oh, can't have that. You're bigger than the pepper. Get out of there. Oh, yeah. All these cucumbers back here coming. Need to weed that. Some more grass clippings is what I need. So far, I think I've only lost a couple plants. The oak ridge did not take well. And I think I lost this cucumber. He's not looking too good. What do you think? Is that cucumber going to make it? He's looking like he ain't going to make it. Well, obviously he ain't going to make it. That's why. He was severed. Must have snapped off in the wind the other day. So that's dead. That kale is not looking too good. Like, for some reason, like this section right here, these 4 plants. I don't know. Maybe I have a visitor in here. This one's getting nice and big. Maybe he's flowering. Had me a delicious zucchini here pretty quick. So, yeah, I gotta drop these trees. I don't want to drop it on that car. It wouldn't do that car any good, so that's why I moved it. Just in case, you know, trees go generally where you aim them. Oh my God! Alarm! Oh, we still good? Well, that got weird. I don't know what's happening now. My screen is all sorts of jacked up. Is this recording? Oh wow, that's crazy. I like froze the screen. So yep, that's what's happening now. I guess. I don't know. We'll give it the old college try, see what happens. Get the skid loader out. Move some stuff. Make some room. Make it happen. Not sure how much farther this way I'm going to go. I mean, that's the bank and then the line. Clear over here. Not even close yet. I might leave that as like a buffer. Put some shrubs on there or something. I don't know. Drive an ATV on it. So, yeah, that's that. Tweet, tweet, tweet. I guess I worked on this over here too a little bit. Trying to get this leveled out so the gate will open up nice. There was a bunch of trees all overgrown in there. So I got that taken care of. This is interesting. Oh, I was going to show you that this tree here is an albino mulberry, and it's kind of getting overshadowed by this other tree. And the other day I was like, oh look, it's growing new, and then I just realized right now the deer came in and ate all the leaves off it. So thanks, deer. Jerks. Man, that's funny. Just completely chomped that. Alright, well, stay safe, kids. I'm out of here.